How's it going, everyone? I'm Ethan from Zappos.com, and this is the city view from JanSport. Brighten up your campus style with this great bag. It's made with a very durable polyester construction. It looks great, especially with those detailing right there and the logo on the top. The bottom stands out a lot because it's made out of a extremely durable suede leather. It's gonna make sure your bag doesn't rip and tear on the bottom after carrying some very heavy books or whatever else you're carrying. The back has two pretty padded shoulder straps to keep you comfortable and a carrying loop to make sure you can hang this up or get it around to wherever you need it. This bag has plenty of space with a small front zipper on the front with plenty of open room to store some small items, along with another zipper on top of it to store a little bit larger items. It's got a divider in there for pencils and everything else you might need, with a little ring to hold your keys so you don't lose them. You definitely do not want to lose your keys, especially on a college campus. How else are you going to get back into your dorm? The side compartment has a really interesting secret compartment to store maybe a water bottle or your wallet or anything else you want to keep real safe and next to you. And the inside is extremely spacious, and it's got plenty of room for all those very expensive books, and it's gonna keep everything real safe. The back has a tab to put your laptop in. It's gonna hold up to a 15-inch laptop. It's just gonna keep everything real safe and secure and handy for all day at school or maybe even at work. Whatever you do, you're gonna look great in this awesome backpack. Get that city look with this mustard colored backpack. Pick yours up today. It's from JanSport.